mabuhay. I choose RA 7394 or the Consumer Act of the Consumer Act of the Philippines. As I explore RA 7394, also known as the Consumer Act of the Philippines, I came to understand how essential this law in protecting everyday people like me and our role as a consumer. So, RA 7394 was enacted to safeguard the rights when buying a product or availing services like tour packages and of course or any services that we avail or we do almost every day. So it ensures that we are not deceived or waya kita tag-ilad, and of course and also mislead or take advantages by businesses or sellers of that particular product that we purchase. So also RA 7394 requires that we as a consumers must be aware or must be given a complete information about that particular product that we avail, to make, of course, it is also the reason or like to make wise choices when availing a product, like such as correct pricing, proper labeling sa product, and also the right to receive a receipt or a proof of transaction while tagkuha nato ang product, palit nato ang product. This law reminds me that consumer rights aren't just about complaint. They're also about being informed, choosing freely, and being treated fairly in the marketplace and of course in the industry. What I've learned from these laws that consumer protection is a shared responsibility. Yes, the government has a part of this law, but so do the businesses also, and of course we, the consumers. We have to be aware of our rights, to know when we are being violated by those businesses or those sellers. So RA 7394 taught me that being a responsible and informed consumer helps not just me but myself, of course, but also like strengthen the economy by promoting trust. Diba pag like may salig na kita sa atong mga tagpalitan, diba Amazon lang na may na customer loyalty, kaya may salig naman kita sa atong tagpalitan, like sa isa ka store na atong tagpalitan, balik-balik ko na nato pag-avail ang ilang product. And also like what I've said, this law helps me build a trust sa isa ka store, and of course fairness in the commercial. Also, it's empowering to know that there is a law. There is a law that protects me or the consumers as consumers, and it motivate me to make a smarter decisions or smarter choices about a particular product that like palito na ako. Gusto na ako i-avail. Also, conscious na sa pagpili lagi ng mga produkto na ako i-avail sa mga decisions na ako na nahimuon para palito na ako saan na produkto. So, walang pa. This law helps me to make a smarter, more conscious decision my everyday transactions. Okay. Hilig ra bagud ako magpalit-palit, mag-order sa mga online shop, sa online. So, this law helps me to make smarter decisions. Before na ako paliton ang particular product or services